Today, you're going to learn about 6 overlooked tools within Canva's video editor that you probably have missed. So the first tool actually is one that I don't hear a lot of creators talking about. It's the playback button. And you see, what the playback button will allow you to do are a few things, but basically you click the video that you want to adjust the playback speed on. You can slide this switch to make the video go slower or faster. This is an amazing way just to make small adjustments to the video to make it fit the timing better of what you want to use. This is particularly helpful for B-roll. The other thing you can do is flip a switch to be able to loop it forever, loop it endlessly within a presentation. And you can flip a switch to make it autoplay in your presentation too. So that's a really cool way to utilize the playback button. The next overlooked tool is a way to make your clips shorter. Sure, you can take your clip and shrink it down on the video editor timeline, but you can get a more precise action by using the scissors button up in the top panel. Click your video, click the scissors button, and then you can make adjustments there. And you can adjust it to where you want it within your clip. Make sure you click done and the clip will be as short as you want. A helpful tip for you also is that make sure you do this step prior to making your clip faster or slower. The next overlooked feature is the crop button. Now, most of the time we talk about crop in terms of pictures, but you can actually crop your video too. So tap your video and then click the crop button on this top panel. You can crop this by adjusting the little white circles that are on the corner of the video. And then you can make adjustments to that video however it will fit best on the canvas. The other thing that you can do is use the rotate slider and make some rotations to your video if you think that it would look better. This is just a way to crop and rotate videos if you find that helpful. The next feature that you might be overlooking is flipping your video. You shot something and you shot that video upside down or it just did not come out right and you need to flip it, or maybe it's an artistic choice and you would like to flip the video. You can flip your video within Canva horizontally or vertically. And so make sure you click the flip button to see if maybe it will help improve the look of your video. The next feature that you're going to learn about is called locking. Now, I frequently will talk about locking an object in place. This is particularly helpful when you have a video or an image or even a color inside of a grid or a frame, which is nothing but a placeholder for some of those things. And I'll talk about locking those into place so that your image or text or whatever won't move on a page. However, you can actually lock an entire segment of your video clip so that you can't accidentally adjust the timing, you can't add new transitions to the front or the back of it, and that's just an amazing way to make sure that a segment that you have that you love, that you don't accidentally do something to. And so all you need to do is tap the page at the bottom of the video editor and click, I think it's right click. So you're going to right click that clip and then there's going to be something that shows up in the menu that says lock page. Now you're definitely going to want to make sure that it is double locked. And what I mean by that is you will right click the lock and then you're going to go up to the top panel and click lock again. There is a keyboard shortcut for this. The keyboard shortcut that is going to save you a lot of time is for the lock page, and it even will work for elements, text, and things of that nature too, is Alt-Shift-L. Use that keyboard shortcut twice, it will lock it completely. And then if you use it again, it will unlock it. So just keep that in mind when you are trying to lock pages on your video editor from being able to move. Now, just as a reminder, you cannot add a new transition to the front or back of that video clip if you do lock it. And you're not going to be able to change anything on that clip with it locked. Make sure that that's exactly what you want to do. But the good news is that it is really easy to unlock it to make corrections should you find that that is necessary. The most exciting feature has recently come out, and this is a feature that a lot of Canva users have been asking for years. This is the ability to download a lot of video clips at one time, but separately. What does this mean? It means that if you are looking for B-roll stock footages for your videos, or you have filmed a whole lot of B-roll for your videos, you can put them into Canva and then segment them into the clips that you want. Let's say that there are 20 clips that you want in your video. Instead of downloading each clip one by one and clicking on Share, Download, MP4, and then clicking on page 1 and downloading that, and then going back and repeating the process for that for page 2, and then for page 3, and then for page 4, what you can do is click a special little button. You can select all of your pages and then click this little button right here, which is downloading pages as separate files. And what this is going to do is download all the videos into a zipped file. You can extract that zip file, and then you can use those videos that you've downloaded as individual files in whatever it is that you would like. I did create a Canva tutorial just on this feature by itself because it was such a fantastic feature. I had to showcase it, so I will put that in the description box below. If you don't have Canva Pro and want to grab your free trial of it, make sure you use the affiliate link that's in the description. And what you're going to want to do next is watch 6 more features that you've probably overlooked in the video editor. I think they're going to know. They're never going to know. They're going to know.